Vehicle manufacturers include attachment points on many modern vehicles for factory-installed parts and aftermarket accessories. These attachment points are called weld nuts. They are quite literally nuts welded to the body or frame of the vehicle. Many of our hitches are designed to utilize these weld nuts to mount the hitch securely to the vehicle. In many cases, when the vehicle is new or has never had an accessory installed into the weld nuts, these attachment points may be covered up by a sticker or a plug. This means that the threads of the weld nut have been protected. If the vehicle is older and may have had accessories installed and uninstalled, and the weld nuts have been exposed to road debris, salt, sand, mud, rust, and anything else, the threads should be cleaned before trying to thread any bolt into them. There are many ways to clean the threads of the weld nut. One way is to simply use the hitches included attachment hardware and install the hardware into the weld nuts before installing the hitch. This helps clean the threads free of overspray and underbody coatings, and it will make threading the bolts much easier when you are ready for a final installation. Another way is to use a penetrating lubricant to spray and coat the threads. This will loosen up any debris and rust. Then use a wire brush and firmly brush the threads multiple times. This will clean up the threads really well. If the weld nuts are really corroded and brushing isn't enough, we recommend using the correct size thread tap. This is the best tool to clean up threads, but if not done correctly, you can easily cross-thread the weld nuts threads, rendering it unusable. Identify which thread tap size to use by identifying the specific attachment hardware list included on the official instruction sheets. This is critical for your success in cleaning the weld nut threads. We hope this information is useful. For more information on towing and to find the hitch, the wiring harness, and all of the towing accessories that fit your vehicle, please visit CURTMFG.com. Always tow safely.